Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OneDrive for cloud storage integration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with OneDrive for cloud storage integration, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button or link. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email address. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking on Create One. Fill in the required information for your new Microsoft account. This includes your name, password, and other personal details. Once you have filled in the form, click on the Next button. Microsoft will then ask you to verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Microsoft. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the OneDrive setup page. You might be asked to provide a phone number for additional security. Enter your phone number if prompted, and select your country code. Click on Next to receive a verification code via SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it in the required field and click Next. Now, you will see a screen prompting you to agree to Microsoft's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Read through the terms and click Accept to proceed. You may be asked to set up some security questions for account recovery. Choose your questions and provide answers that you will remember. After completing all required fields, click on Next to finalize your registration. You will now be directed to your OneDrive storage interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features available. OneDrive will typically offer an introductory tour of its functions. Follow the tour for an overview of how to upload files and folders. You are now ready to start using OneDrive for cloud storage integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.